Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So you have seen lots of videos or reels in Instagram that is in a Ghibli style. So lots of people are saying to make it from a chat GPT, but when you will go and try it, you will find lots of messages like some due to policy or something they will not generate even you keep asking to them. So basically this is not available for a free version. You have to get it for $20. Then you can get that feature in the upgraded versions. I mean in the premium plan. But you can make a similar photos in some another tools, but there will be a lots of difference. It will be not created in the way how it is getting created in ChatGPT. But there is a multiple ways. I will talk about the two ways. The first thing, whenever you want such photo, you are uploading it in ChatGPT, you don't ask with this word, you ask them to convert this photo in a animation form, anime form. See, if something is not working, you have to ask them in a different way. It may be some common words we are using that they are not giving, but we have to tell them in a different way. It's worked for me in some case. I will show you the image they have uh, converted that. But when I tried again, it was not working. Second thing is you can use a X app. I will also the photo how it was before and how it's got generated after that in my mobile application. You can see there. When I ask in ChatGPT with this photo, so they have converted in this photo. That is a simple generalized anime style. So there is a lots of difference, but that is okay. Anything you are getting it in a free. Second, I tried in X app. You can see here. You have to go in the group. Here you can see. So I will show you what I have converted here. Here you can see. This is the images that they have converted, and what was the actual image you have seen. So, okay, so this is what this group app, the X app, have made, and this is what the Chat GPT made. So if you want to try, you can do this. I hope you will find this video useful. But in ChatGPT, the premium quality is not available in free version. So you have to be clear on this. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.